Algorithmic trading, or algo trading, has the potential to outperform the market, but achieving this feat involves navigating a complex and multifaceted landscape. Imagine having a highly effective algorithm that not only understands but thrives in different market conditions, incorporating advanced strategies like machine learning. By the way, if you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below. The quality of the algorithm is paramount. It's like having a chess grandmaster as your trading partner, predicting and responding to market moves with precision. The foundation of successful algo trading lies in the data. Think of it as having access to a treasure trove of historical and real-time data. The richer and more comprehensive your data, the more accurate and informed your trading decisions will be. But having the data is just the beginning. Superior technology and infrastructure are your secret weapons, providing the computational power and low-latency execution needed to capitalize on fleeting market opportunities. It's like having a supercar in a race. Speed and efficiency matter. Market conditions are another critical piece of the puzzle. Algorithms might excel in trending markets, but struggle during periods of high volatility or sudden market shifts. It's like surfing. The same wave that's perfect one day can be a wipeout the next. Adapting to these ever-changing conditions is crucial. Moreover, the landscape of algo trading is dotted with regulatory constraints and costs. Navigating these can be tricky, but effective strategies consider transaction costs and market impacts to ensure profitability isn't eroded. Risk management can't be overlooked. Even the best algorithms can encounter turbulent market phases. Robust risk management strategies are like safety nets, cushioning against potential losses during adverse market movements. Many traders and firms have successfully leveraged algo trading to outperform the market. However, it's not a set-and-forget scenario. Continuous adaptation, optimization, and monitoring are essential to maintain that competitive edge and to avoid overfitting strategies to historical data. In the dynamic world of trading, algo trading offers a fascinating blend of cutting-edge technology, strategic thinking, and data-driven decisions. With the right approach, it can indeed be a powerful tool to beat the market. If you are looking for a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals, see the links in the description box below.